Hello my good people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My good name is Shangazi_Kehi. I hope I'm not looking sleepy. I know it has been a while ever since I uploaded a video on my YouTube channel, but guys, I am back. I promise to be consistent, and today I got something. I don't want to spill the beans, but if you keep on watching till the last, and I'm so glad because we have reached 300 plus subscribers. We are on the run to 1,000 subscribers. Guys, show me some love. I promise you I'm not going to disappear again. This time loud, I'm going to drop it. Let me promise you. And it's something that I needed so much for YouTube. I got it, and I got it from a friend, and we just unboxing it together and fixing it. And I promise guys, I'm going to keep posting. Thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Comment, share please. I need more subscribers because tunaenda kumaliza mwaka and we look like I don't like the blog, but I know nimefail mahali. I've not been uploading videos, but guys, I promise I am back. Hii sasa ni ile ya serious. Najuanga nikiupload video nasemanga I am back, but this time Lord, I'm very sure I am back, guys. Let's get to the next part of the video and see what the girl has to offer. So guys, this is a small ring light that nilikuanga nayo kutoka kitambo. I think I did a video buying this one, but I thought it will help me, but aieki moto nini inazima, then kakibo was too small, so holding a phone and power bank, it was hard for me, so I stopped using it, but I can gift anyone. So this is what I got. Let's unbox it, guys, because I just bought it from Seneth Enterprises. I will plug you their number on the comment section. I'll pin it there, by the way. Nilibuy easy vitu. I don't want to say what it is. I just want us to open these together. Okay, by the way guys, unajua itanisaidia sana sababu unaona na record nikijikat kichwa, because I'm recording myself mali nimekelea simu. Oh, I wish you can see, but sasa simu ndio ina record. So from kutoka kesho, kutoka after this video, mtakuwa mnaona najikat because whatever I've gotten, it's something that will help me now in recording and showing you all the details. So this is the ring light. Wenye unaona nikiangalia kwa side, that's my sister ananiongelesha. So this is my ring light. I got it from Seneth Enterprises. You can search their page on Facebook. Wako Facebook, they sell so many stuff, kitchen stuff, electronics, vitu mingi, and they are very affordable. So I got it from them, and let me tell you guys, I'm liking their work so much. So let's unbox the second item and try to fix it together and see how it goes, guys. And let me by the way, rate me and tell me for me najua hii itanifanya nikuwe consistent, because even indoor content I was not doing, because you know mali pa kuwekelea simu ndio shida. So muni subscribe aki. Next thing that I'm targeting is mic. I did a mic. Ikukaa nikishout, I'm not liking it. This is my stand. Oh mwekumbuka, oh my goodness, I wish I can show you. I had a small stand yenye nilikuwa nimenunua na ako ka ring light nimeonyesha hapo mwanzo. You can scroll my videos and you'll see it. A small stand that didn't help. Nilikuwa naekelea mitungi mbili hivyo ndio nakaekelea juu, but this time Lord, I've got a very big stand. I just love it, guys. Look at that. I'm just proud of myself. Small progress. Now watu munifikisha 1,000 subs, by the way, so that I can be a bit consistent. Abu tukue monetized this year. I'm telling you, I'm just looking at my sister, so don't be shocked who I'm talking to. Let's try and fix this thing together. Those are the nuts that came with the stand. I'm just trying to figure out which one to fix where. and how, because it must come out the ring light and stand zikiwa pamoja, and I'll actually show you the difference with the ring light and with no ring light. So I'm kind of confused, so I'm just trying to open that nut. Look at me. So aka nikakitu ka kushikilia simu, I'm just trying to fix cause hii kurekodigi ukijiekelea, ukieka simu juu ya matank nini and stuff, what if nikuwe out the where will I place my phone? So it becomes a challenge, but I'm promising you guys I'm getting back. Expect more content and give me ideas. What do you want me, now that I'm in Nairobi, mnataka nifanye content kama gani? So hiyo ni ya kuwekelea simu. So I'm just confused where to fix it. I don't have an idea. I'm just trying to figure out where to fix each and everything. So that look like she should face the camera. Yeah, I will just try to argue with myself. I wish she stood up and joined me on the camera, but well, you'll be seeing her most of the times. So let guys try and see. No, hiyo iwezi eko hapo. Guys, let me tell you, I've never fixed a stand. And then at the Enterprises, when we met, alinionyesha, but I kind of forgot, because hakunionyesha everything in detail. We didn't fix, because kulikuwa na watu, sikutaka ile attention ya watu, but let me hope I will manage. Let me hope I'm going to manage to fix this thing, because now ni kitu nitakuwa naenda nayo, so I will be fixing and fixing, so I should be get used to it. So let me wait for them as they show me. We are just doing try and error and see how it works. Then I will come back on the camera and show you. These are the nuts to adjust. Oh. Huku kwetu kuna baridi by the way, msishangae bwana nimevaa trench coat. There is a lot of cold. So let me wait and see how they are going to see it work. I would have recorded but she wasn't okay with that. I'm just proud of myself, guys. Super proud of myself. Niketi chini. Na niliwaambia hii safari tuko na nyinyi watu wangu, by the way. We are in this together. So every step that I make, tutakuwa tuna make pamoja. I wish I recorded, but well, there is no problem. But we are trying to fix it off camera and see if it works. So we've known how to fix it. So kuna hiyo kanat unaeka hapo. look at how I'm cutting my head, but there is no problem, guys. There is no problem because this is the last video that I'm cutting myself. Look at that. Look at that, my people. And that is where I'm supposed to place my phone. My phone holder. And guys, let me tell you, this ring light doesn't have a battery. So it's not something that you can charge, that you keep on recharging and stuff. Hiyo kawaya unaona hapo ni cable. So you can only use this ring light while connected on electricity. So it doesn't have a rechargeable battery. So this is how I'm bedding this stuff for holding my phone. And in this case, I'm using my phone to record, so I think I will try it with my sister's phone. So this is a cable. My goodness, we have to. Let me use my power bank. The good thing with this stand, you can make it shorter, you can make it tall, depending on which one is flexible for you. So this cable, I just want to use my power bank so that I show you how this ring light is working. Hey guys, see, expect me on that's my power bank. Expect me to be on TikTok now. I will be on TikTok live now with this now. So you have to itabidi mkubali challenge. Now I will be back. Look at that. Look at the ring light, guys. Look at. Unapunguza lighting, unaongeza lighting. I think you people can see the difference. Me, I'm actually seeing the difference. Hiyo ni kuzima, kufungulia. Oh my goodness. But now you know the reason why the ring light is not facing me, because the camera is not on hiyo side yangu, so camera iko hii side nyingine, so that's why nimeavu kuonyesha ring light camera. So I'm sorry guys, you know I'm cutting myself, but man, let me use my sister's phone. We praise it somewhere and see the outcome. But nitachukua simu yangu ni record ikiwa karibu muone how it's appearing. I'm just loving it, guys. So hiyo ndio simu, camera. So you have to place your phone there. Alafu mnitafute tufanye content sasa. I'm promising you guys I'm going to be consistent. So that's the phone, guys. Naona mahali simu imewekelewa. But sasa, I wish I can hold my phone and show you. But what can I do? Let me change the. Can I change the direction? What should I do? So let me hold my phone and show you clearly. So that's how it's appearing. So na record na simu yangu kuonyesha venye hii kitu ikiwa kwa ring light venye inatokea. So basically ring light haijanimulika. Unaona anataka kuonyesha venye inatokea. Look at that, guys. Ona nimezima, nimewasha, nimezima. So hii phone iko hapa kwa ring light, hiyo ndio nitakuwa na hapo. Basi hii unajua mimi na record niwaonyeshe.